intimidatable. But having said that, Mr. Speaker, I want to thank you for giving me this opportunity. Mr. Speaker, I also want to thank you for following House procedure. And I want to thank the whip of the majority for even doing a good job of whipping members so that they do what they should be doing on the floor of the House, which is defeating us by numbers. But that can never, ever take away my right of representation. Mr. Speaker, what has happened earlier on is actually shameful in a democratic country. You cannot deny members a chance to speak to a bill. And Mr. Speaker, the majority is lucky that they have actually, I'm not that passionate about this bill. But should somebody want to go to court on this bill, I want it to go on record that we were denied a chance to speak, not vote, to speak to this bill, using, and I'm on a point of order, using and following procedure. I have put my card. Honorable TJ was denied because he didn't have a card. I have a card. I put my card. I put both intervention and a chance to speak. Moderated, Mr. Speaker, the Madam Speaker has refused to give me a chance. And that's why I'm telling her she's my friend, but today she has embarrassed me. There is so much or so far we can go as a majority. Even when you have the numbers, use it by following what is provided constitutionally. You can't deny me a chance to speak. And I was telling Honorable Ichungwah what some of the members from his own side are saying quietly. That is very dictatorial and it denies members a chance to speak. Let members in this House be members. They are very intelligent members who have degrees here. But you are making people look here like vegetables. They cannot contribute in this House. What are we making this parliament? This parliament is becoming a joke of a house. That's why some of us hardly are in this House. Let this House be a house of debate and representation and oversight. So you can't make members come here and you make us look like flower girls. We refuse to be flower girls and we refuse to be intimidated. When I am here and I've come here to contribute, let me contribute when I've actually put my button to speak.
Know.
This is a joke.
You are going
Don't make this parliament a joke.
You will. Yes. Honorable Milly Odhiambo, Honorable Milly Odhiambo, your time has lapsed. Honorable Milly Odhiambo, your time has lapsed. Majority Leader, I did not give you opportunity because Honorable Milly Odhiambo was on a point of order. Those are the few things you wanted to stand on a point of order on. By way of leadership, we can still deal with them under our standing orders. I want now, so that we make progress. Order. We want to make progress.